Hi everyone, hope you are doing well from whatever you're watching this channel, depending on your time zone. Now, we have the impeachment of Gachagwa going on in the Senate, and actually they are supposed to cross-examine the Deputy President Gachagwa. But Gachagwa is not there. The information reaching to us is that the Deputy President has been hospitalized at Karen Hospital, and his legal counsel was asking for more time until Tuesday for them to be able to make a decision if Gachagwa will appear before the House. But the question is that this process has timelines. The latest they can do this was supposed to be on Saturday, but I was wondering why Paul Mwite is asking for Tuesday. But having listened to the prayers from Gachagwa's lawyer, Paul Mwite, the Senate Speaker, Amason Kingi, took a break and he went, I think, to consult. So out of consultation, he came to advise the House so that they can allow to adjourn and suspend this up to Saturday. Something that the majority leader of the Senate, Aaron Cheriot, agreed to. Minority leader also in the Senate agreed to. So it was upon the Speaker to put up the question to the House to make a decision whether to agree to continue impeaching Gachagwa even in his absence or wait until Saturday, so that Gachagwa can be given more time to appear before the House. Now, in as much the Speaker, the majority leader, and minority leader agreed to postpone, the House refused that prayer. Instead, they have voted to continue impeaching Gachagwa in his absence. The issue was that they need to cross-examine him by the National Assembly Council led by James Agri Rengo. Huyo ndio mtu alikuwa interrogate Gachagwa. So haitafanyika, but they want to impeach Gachagwa even if he's in hospital, either to allow him to go back and work or to send him home. That is their resolution.
Of reading of the charges, which period in this case expires on Saturday, the 19th of October 2024. Now, therefore, the Senate resolves, 1, to adjourn the afternoon sitting of Thursday, 17th of October 2024, and pursuant to Standing Order 34-4C of the Senate Standing Orders, to hold sittings on Saturday, the 19th of October 2024, commencing at 9 a.m. until 1 p.m. and 2:30 p.m. until conclusion of business in the order paper of the day, in order to conclude the hearing and determination of the proposed removal from office by impeachment of the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya. Will as many as of that opinion say aye? Aye. Will as many as of the contrary opinion say nay? Nay. The nays have it. Now, honorable senators, the motion having been defeated, we will proceed with the hearing program as had been circulated this afternoon, in which case then we will move to closing statements by the parties.
Now, after this, Paul Mwite, leading the Gachagwa's council, made a decision in protest of the decision by the House of the Senate that they will not sit and watch the impeachment of Gachagwa in his absence. Instead, they decided to walk out in protest, that they will not be part of this. They will not participate in this. They will not witness sitting in Senate the impeachment of Gachagwa in his absence. That is Paul Mwite. And I think it was a conclusion or a decision of the House. Not the House, the whole legal council of Rigathi Gachagwa.
To this Honorable Senate to decide any issue in question put to it democratically, which, Mr. Speaker, is what has happened. Arising from that decision of this Honorable Senate, Mr. Speaker, we as the legal team representing the Deputy President are not able to continue appearing without instructions. So we humbly and with a lot of respect take your leave, Mr. Speaker, and the leave of this Honorable House. Thank you.
Now, what does this one mean for Rigathi Gachagua and the Senate? And which way forward? These questions, actually I don't have answer for them, but we want to try and give our views. So as I say here, you also do it in the comment section. But before we go deeper into that, just a quick request for those who are watching and you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing. To our returning subscribers, I must say thank you so much. And again to all our viewers, please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much, and back to this discussion. Now, Orengo had argued this case that even in absence of Rigathi Gachagua, they should continue with this impeachment because already he had submitted his papers, and the only remaining thing was that he was to be cross-examined by the National Assembly team. So already he had submitted everything in response to this. By that fact, Orengo believes that already Gachagua has appeared and responded to this. So it is upon the Senate to make a decision out of the response, because unajua wakati hawa jamaa wanakuja kuongea haya mambo wanaongea mostly wanakuanga tayari washaandika majibu yao, so they are just speaking about what already they have submitted. So Gachagua had submitted his papers, so they can use that to continue and make a decision either to impeach him or not. That was Orengo's position, and I think majority of senators believe that they have been around, not just say, oh, mobilize Senate imejaa. Ni kama wote wako. So they don't want to waste time anymore. They want to finish this. I have seen some lawyers arguing that if they continue to impeach Gachagua in his absence, it is going to be challenged in court and it can be nullified. Those are some lawyers I've seen on TV trying to argue this. I don't know, but I know Senate has full of lawyers, wako wengi. So I don't know why they have decided that way, or if they go with the position of Orengo, which can also be justified in the court of law. So, chuma cha Gachagua kimotoni, Gachagua will be slaughtered today. And again, it can be rescued again today by this house, in his absence or presence. I know the next move by the legal team of Rigathi Gachagua, they are rushing to the court to get a court order in attempt to stop this impeachment, or in attempt to stop the replacement of the gazetting of Rigathi Gachagua's position. Wajaribu kusema kwamba no one should gazette the impeachment, because immediately the gazettement has been done, Ruto will have a privilege to nominate someone to replace Gachagua. I'm telling you, this syllabus is so quick. Iko mbio. Syllabus inaenda mbio kabisa. In a supersonic speed. So in a blink of an eye, we might have a new deputy president, and he will be leading the Mashujaa Day celebration, introducing the president during Mashujaa Day celebration. These people are very quick, and they are so cruel to Gachagua. Sasa hapo ndio mambo yamefika. They are going to vote. They will make a decision in absence of Gachagua. But his legal team has protested. They have walked out. I thought the senior counsel was going to ask for more time to take the directive from his client, hata kama kwa hospitali, aitisha maybe 30 minutes, but instead it seems they were so much focused and well prepared for this. Nothing happened, from nowhere. Sana sana mambo ya kisiasa. Mimi kivyangu, I want to speak this. I see this thing was choreographed by the legal team of Rigathi Gachagwa and his allies to avoid the embarrassment through the grilling by senior counsel James Orengo. Mimi naona hivyo kivyangu. Hayo si maoni ya hii channel, ni maoni yangu as a person. They are avoiding embarrassment. So this one, is a skip they are acting. Is a PR, in my view. But yes, someone can get sick. Yes, it's possible that Gachagua can be sick. Lakini kwa kiwango kama hii na wakati kama huu, the timing of this issue, it is questionable. Ndio maana mwana wa senator wameona ni kama ujamaa tuchezee. Kwa wameamua kwa kauli moja, tutaendelea na hii maneno akue askue. But they also have to prepare to go and battle this in court. In case Gachagua will win, they will have to wait for another, is it 6 months or a year, to stage another impeachment of Rigathi Gachagua. Haitafanyika hivi karibuni kama ya itaenda through. So there is also the issue of the process. What these lawyers will be questioning in court will be the process of this impeachment. Leave alone the charges. The most important thing they're going to focus on is the process. Mambo ya charges wata drop kufika pale mahali wamefika. So that is the situation. I would want to listen to your read your comments on this. I'm not a lawyer. Mimi si lawyer. Na kisheria mimi sielewi sana, lakini ningependa munifahamisha na mfahamisha wengine kama mimi ambao ni wenyeji wa hii channel through the comment section, because I know people do read comments. I also do read, in as much I don't get enough time to respond to all of them. Nimekuwa so much busy, but I apologize. Though I can tell you I don't read the comments. Now, thank you so much. See you in our next video, but let us meet down there to continue with the discussion. You can also reach out to me through my WhatsApp number in case of any advice or anything you think we should be discussing. The number is always in the description box, so let us meet there.